I take thyroid medication. I think something like 80% of women my age take thyroid medication. So I've been warning people for a couple years that there's some dirty deeds going on behind the scenes. And the FDA went to the thyroid medication makers and said, hey, I know you've had these drugs on the market for 100 years, literally 100 years, but you never went through our stringent FDA approval process to make sure that these drugs are safe. Well, they've been on the market for 100 years. They're safe. So we need you to go through these really extensive approval processes that cost a lot of money, and we need you to reclassify your drugs as a biologic drug. So the drug I take is desiccated, dried out pig glands. It doesn't smell good either. I take MP Thyroid, Armor Thyroid. So since it's a biological material, it comes from a pig, that it needs to be classified as a biologic drug. And to get that classification is very expensive, so it's going to drive the price of our drugs up. So we're all going to pay a lot more for the drugs that we've been on for years. And they have to go through this process, which is very expensive and takes long, and so there could be shortages. So I know people have started to get notices from their drug insurance company saying, hey, we're not covering NP Thyroid or Armor Thyroid or some of the other ones. We're going to cover levothyroxine. That's the cheapest one. Well, most of us, like I did, started out on levothyroxine, which is only T3. And then it didn't work well enough and you got too tired and you couldn't get out of bed. So they put you on these more expensive, more complex types of thyroid medicine that have T3 and T4, have more stuff in them that do more things. And then voila, you feel great, you have a lot of energy, you're back to yourself again. So the industry, the health insurance industry, is trying to force us all down to the cheaper one, levothyroxine. And I already know that it stopped working for me, which is why I left it. So I just was on a work trip to Mexico. So I'm like, I'm gonna go buy it in Mexico. So a lot of people buy their medications in Mexico. They go to other countries specifically to buy their medications. So I researched it, and they don't even have NP Thyroid, Armor Thyroid in Mexico. They don't make it. They don't allow the importation. It's not available. They only do the levothyroxine. So I thought, well, I feel sorry for the menopausal women in Mexico, but maybe the rich ones are going across the border and getting our good drugs. So I got my letter from CVS. My health insurance company said, hey, we're not going to pay for this. You can take the levothyroxine, which I know won't work for me. So what is my option? First of all, just because they said they won't pay for it doesn't mean they won't pay for it. You have to know that there is an appeals process and that you can get your doctor involved to ask for a prior authorization and to say, Sylvia already tried levothyroxine like 8 years ago. She was on that for 2 years. It stopped working. She had all these symptoms that were resolved when we moved her up to NP Thyroid. Please give her NP Thyroid. So you have the opportunity to appeal that letter. It's not just nobody can get it. Some people might be able to fight through that process. Their doctor doesn't really get paid to do those prior authorizations. They don't like that added labor, all that added paperwork. But maybe you're good friends with your doctor and your doctor will do it for you. So you might be able to continue to get that drug. We've already discussed that you will not be getting it through Mexico. So it's more expensive to pay for it out of pocket, right? Well, it is, but most of you are aware that there is something called a drug discount card. Now, there's a whole gimmick with drug discount cards, just like there's a gimmick with every other part of Medicare. So if you go online and let's say we go to GoodRx, they market the best, they're the most well-known, but there's lots of them. Single Care, Needy Meds, there's a whole bunch of them. So in my book, I talk a lot about alternatives to using your drug insurance, and a lot is about all these different ways to get your drug. So I go to GoodRx online, and I put in my pharmacy, the closest one to me, and it'll say, oh, you can get your pills, and it's only going to be like $50. So it was not much more than what I was going to pay for my copay. So it's like, you can still get your drug. You just, go through the regular procedure. Your doctor continues to prescribe it as is, and you get it through the drug discount card. It will not count towards your Medicare Part D deductible. It will not count towards your Medicare Part D maximum out of pocket, which is $2,100 this year, and it's moving up to $2,400 in 2027. So I might be okay. It's $50 a month. I can pay the $600 a year. I'm not happy, but you can still get it. The gimmick that I said with GoodRx and all the discount cards is they can change that. So it was $50 at my pharmacy this month. Well, don't just go running down to your pharmacy next month and assuming it'll be $50 because next month it might be $70 because they changed those prices around. So you have to plug in and look at different zip codes, different pharmacies, because now that you're just buying it with cash, you don't have to go to that pharmacy that your drug plan said. You can go anywhere. So you might put in Target, Meijer, Walmart, CVS, Publix, put them all in, and you're like, oh, it's cheaper if I drive over here. And then don't think, well, I got to drive over here every month because it does change. The next month it might be over here. They change those drug costs. They're allowed. That's totally legal. So it's a lot more work for you to get your drugs this way. And there are people that are already savvy. They already know I'm going to get this one through Mark Cuban's low-cost pharmacy online. This one I'm going to get through GoodRx. This one I get through Single Care. This one I get when I go visit my sister in upstate New York because we just hop over the border to Canada. It's ridiculous. That patchwork quilt, it's a lot of work that some people have found to be very effective in keeping the cost of their drugs down. So since this change with thyroid drugs is going to impact so many people, and it's slowly working its way through the healthcare system. So you might say, I don't have any problem. I'm still getting mine filled. Well, it's coming. It's coming for you. All the insurance companies will be having to pay more to get it, and they're going to pass that on to you, or they're going to say, no, we're not going to pay for that. We just tell people to take the cheap generic or whatever the cheaper alternative is. That's the only one we're going to cover. Remember, your drug company, your Medicare Part D drug company, your Medicare Advantage plan with the drug benefit, they don't have to cover every drug. No. They have to cover, there's certain drugs, there's like 4 classes of drugs that they have to cover substantially all drugs in that class, like antipsychotics and cancer drugs. There's a couple classes. But they don't have to cover your thyroid medicine. They can change it, and they can change that at any time of year because you know that you can change your drug plan in the fall between October 15th and December 7th, which we call the AEP, the annual time that you can change your plan. So if they tell you right now in the middle of the year, yeah, we're not covering your drug, you can't go switch. That's not a reason that you can get a new drug plan that does cover your drug, if anybody's even going to cover it right now. You're stuck till the end of the year, and then in the AEP in the fall, then you'll go and try to see if we can find a plan that does cover that drug. And I want to tell you, nobody's going to cover it. Nobody wants to cover it. And if they do cover it, it's going to be at a jacked up price that it's probably going to be cheaper if you went and just used a drug discount card. So as much as you hate the thought of this extra work of getting this one from here and this one from here and how it changed, it's money. And if you have to save money, if your budget is tight, most people's are, then it's just more work that you have to do. So my goal, our goal at the Medicare family is to educate you about this crazy healthcare situation. If there's something I can do to help you save money, I'll be happy to tell you. Right now, I'm just trying to explain how you're going to try to navigate it and maybe end up paying a little bit more, but being able to get the drug that your doctor prescribed. And if you go, no, I'll just go to what they want me to, which is levothyroxine. Then I'm not practicing medicine without a license, but I will tell you that it doesn't have the same active ingredients as Armour Thyroid. So your doctor should be talking to you about that. If you say, hey, just put me on levothyroxine, your doctor should say, well, okay, but you might have fatigue, whatever. In which case you might say, I don't care. But then once you can't get out of bed, which is how my thyroid acts when it gets wonky, I'm not getting out of bed for 3 days. You might decide, oh, I'm going to find a way to go back to the other drug. And that might mean cash outside of your drug plan, doesn't apply to your deductible and your 2100, and that you'll either pay cash or you'll use a drug discount card. Sorry to have bad news. Sometimes I get good news. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, would you please give me a follow, share it with a friend, leave me a comment if you have more questions about your thyroid medicine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us
or email us at the Medicare family.